Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com for beginners using the high-end 2026 technical interface. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to organize their studio-level bookkeeping and market analysis into a single high-end collaborative workspace. Let's get into it. First, set up your high-end workspace. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your professional environment. You need to create a dedicated space where your studio data can technicality live without amateur quality clutter. Log in and click the Workspaces icon. Select Add Workspace and give it a professional name. Choose a high-end icon and color code to technicality distinguish your projects. Workspaces are a professional standard for keeping your market analysis separated from your personal administrative tasks, ensuring a high-end technical workflow. Next, create a professional board from scratch. To manage your bookkeeping, you must technicality build a board that serves as the identity of your specific project. Click the plus icon and select New Board. Choose the main visibility for full team collaboration. Start with a blank board to technicality customize every field. A custom board is a mechanical necessity for high-end project management. It allows you to structure your data in a way that fits your professional studio requirements perfectly. Next, define your high-end column structure. The power of Monday.com lies in its technical column types. You need to select the columns that will drive your professional market analysis. Click the plus icon on the right side of your groups to add columns. Add status, timeline, numbers for bookkeeping, and connected boards for high-end technical syncing. Columns are a professional standard. They technicality categorize your data, turning a simple list into a high-end studio tool that tracks every professional movement in real time. Click the Automate button at the top of your board to open the Automation Center. Choose a high-end recipe like when status changes to done, move item to archive. This is the execution phase. Automations are a mechanical necessity for productivity. They technicality handle the candid administrative work for you, allowing you to focus on high-end professional strategy while your bookkeeping stays updated. And that's pretty much it. To use Monday.com in 2026, set up your high-end workspace and technicality create a professional board. Define your column structure for market analysis, and set up automations to handle your bookkeeping. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.